Hey guys, how's it going? So, welcome to the recap. Today is the Wednesday, June 17th. Yeah, let's go over my trades and let's go over my normal morning routine, which is I come in the morning, I start my gapper scanner, and this is, it was a hot market today. We have CARV. Here, let me actually back this up to what I was watching. But I mean, as you can see, today was pretty hot. Like CARV 39 million shares, LMFA 46, YUONEK 71 million, right? So WATT, AFH. So definitely, decent market today. IMTE. So here, let's back up first to this morning. So 6:15. Whoops. There we go. So this morning, coming in around 6:15, as you can see, CARV was gapping up 463%. So decent volume, decent float. LMFA, 182%, decent, very good float, decent volume. Same thing with UONEK, OPHC, AFH, right? So we definitely have like few in the 100%, right? So I was watching today CARV, LMFA, OPHC, AFH, SALM, WATT was like on the maybe. There were a couple other from yesterday that I was watching for continuation. But yeah, so let's go over this, right? So here, let's check out CARV. Man, this stock was up 700% afterwards. I mean, this stock opened up yesterday closed at 271 yesterday, right? And in pre-market, the stock goes all the way to $17.30. And intraday it goes all the way up to like 23 bucks. So this stock was up 700% today. The reason why I didn't trade this stock, I was actually looking for a move on this stock around this area right here. And as you can see, it would have took me 3 tries, but eventually I would have got it on this one. But the reason why I didn't take it, it was very spready, right? The spreads were like 30 cents apart, 20 cents apart. That's, not my style. But definitely had very good momentum. A lot of people made money on this stock, I'm sure. So the other stock that I was watching as well. Whoops, let me pull up the scanner because I forgot. Yeah, LMFA, right? So let's go at LMFA. I took trades on LMFA today. As you can see, the stock, definitely gave some good points, right? Like some inflection points around this area right here, and it matches with the pre-market as well, right? So, and also this push from the VWAP and above, right? So I took some trades around this area as well. So yeah, and I'll go over that as well. And I believe the other one was OPHC. This one was a little bit spready, but I don't think I took the trades. I was looking for break of this VWAP area, but it didn't happen. So I let it go. So I let that one go. And then I think Salm, I took a trade as well for, I think I was trying to get a red to green move and it didn't happen. But we'll go over that as well. And then AFH, man, this stock, I was supposed to make a lot more money on it. So I got in around actually on this area right here for the break of VWAP, right? And eventually to break this inflection point. So what happened was I got in and then I put a typo. So I got in I think at 77 cents or I think at 75 cents. And then I accidentally typed in 76 cents instead of like 86 cents or 96 cents, right? Because I know that once this breaks 79 cents, this is going to take off. And obviously it did, right? So today would have been a home run day just on this trade alone, right? Yeah, so that was that. I guess, things happen. But other than that, I mean, today was still a good day. I made 423 bucks. So let's go over my trades, right? Let me move this back. So SALM, right? SALM was a trade not out of the gates, but here, let's go pull that up real quick. SALM, right? I got in SALM right here at 251, only with 208 shares, and that sold at 221. So let's see. So I got in around this area right here. So I thought, it was gonna try to break this and go up, right, for more of a red to green move, and that didn't happen. But when it came back down, I thought it was gonna hold VWAP, right, but then it didn't, and it kept on going. And then to me, since it was holding like this area right here at the time, it was holding this part, kind of like a double bottom. So, oh, excuse me. So I thought that was gonna be support, and then it tanked off, and then I just sold and lost about $60, whatever, right? And then LMFA comes in at 285. So let's go back to LMFA. So I took a lot of trades on LMFA. Actually, look, LMFA. I bought. Whoops, let me scroll up. LMFA. Let's see here. Yeah. So I bought at 285, sold at 299, then bought at 3, sold some at 304, then sold some at 297, then bought again at 309, then sold some at 313, then sold some at 305. So that was like a good run, and that was around this area, right? So the initial bought on LMFA was at 285, and I'll show you that area, which was around this part for the push above VWAP. And I got in, sold some on the way here, and then bought some around 3, and then sold some on the way to the top, and then let it go. I was actually watching for the break of this point right here, but I didn't get in. I thought it was a little bit risky, so I didn't get in. Other than that, LMFA was a good trade, as you can see, right? So yeah, this is all from LMFA. Yeah, so not bad. And then AFH, that's the one I was mentioning. I got in 74 cents, and then typoed at 75 cents, and I got in with 2,000 shares as well, and then made $8 or whatever. LMFA, then I get back in again at. So this is all this area right here on 288. Yeah, this is all around this area right here, and me getting in and getting out again around LMFA. And then I guess I did take a trade around $4, which was around for the break of 4. Not exactly at I guess I did. I forgot about that. So yeah, 398 was the inflection point, but 4 was also a psychological resistance, and I saw a lot of green coming in on the time and sales, so I pushed the trigger, and then I sold some around 414, 418, so made some good money as well. So yeah, definitely in this whole area I bought and sold and added to my position. So definitely it was a good day. So I hopefully you guys had a good day as well. Other than that, subscribe to my channel, watch these videos. Hopefully you can get some value out of this. And like the videos too, guys. That way it tells me if you're finding value or not. Also subscribe to the Twitter channel as well. That way you can see the watch list that I post in the morning. Here, let me pull up my Twitter real quick so that way I can show you. Check that out, right? Twitter this morning, 3 hours ago. CARV, LMFA, AFH, right? These 3 were all from the watch list. So, yeah, other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.